lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello TANCET aspirants. Join the second state level webinar conducted by Learn to Lead Academy. Mark your calendars. Learn to Lead Academy is conducting the second state level webinar on March 16, Sunday at 5 p.m. This session will cover score requirements for the top colleges, tips and tricks to crack the exam, effective time management strategies, key concepts you must focus on. Don't miss this opportunity to gain valuable insights and boost your preparation. Join the webinar to get full details about the course. See you there. All the best. If you want to register for this webinar, kindly register through the link provided in the description box. Contact 88700 46080. All the best.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.